हेलो फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। वेलकम बैक टू हेल्थ क्यू चैनल। आई नो ये थोड़ा सा अलग वीडियो लग रहा है, बट ये अलग भी है और स्पेशल भी है, क्योंकि आज मैं एक बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ या कह सकते हो एक चैलेंज के बारे में आप सबको रिवील करने वाली हूँ। आज मैं अभी फ़िलहाल अपने क्लिनिक और स्टूडियो, क्लिनिक कम स्टूडियो है जो, वहाँ से बात कर रही हूँ। और आज इवन गणेश चतुर्थी है, तो हम लोग आज गणेश पूजा कर रहे हैं हमारे क्लिनिक में। और कहते हैं ना कि कोई भी नई चीज़ की जब आप शुरुआत करते हो तो गणेश जी के आशीर्वाद के साथ ही करनी चाहिए। तो इसीलिए आज का दिन जो है वो मैंने चूज़ किया, ताकि मैं इस जो चैलेंज जिसके बारे में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ उसका रिवील भी आज आपके साथ करूँगी, उसकी शुरुआत भी आज से होंगी। और आज से इस पूरी जर्नी को मैं डॉक्यूमेंट करूँगी और आपके साथ अपने चैनल पे शेयर करूँगी। जानना चाहते हो वो चैलेंज क्या है, क्या हम करने वाले हैं, तो मेरे साथ इस वीडियो में बने रहिए। मैं हूँ फिजियो मेघना दवे, फाउंडर एंड CEO ऑफ हेल्थ क्यू रिहैब। मैं एक न्यूरो रिहैबिलिटेशन फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट हूँ, एक यूट्यूबर हूँ और एक एंटरप्रेन्योर हूँ। अभी फ़िलहाल मैं नीचे जाऊँगी जहाँ हमारा क्लिनिक है। मैंने अपने टीम मेंबर्स को भी नहीं बताया है इस चैलेंज के बारे में, वो भी अभी ही उसको पता करेंगे। तो देखते हैं कि कैसी तैयारी है, कैसे हमारा क्लिनिक दिख रहा है। बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर सजाया है मेरे टीम मेंबर्स ने। मैंने भी अभी तक की सजावट नहीं देखी है, बट जो तैयारियां चल रही थी उसके ऊपर से लग रहा है कि बहुत सुंदर सजाया होगा। तो चलिए देखते हैं कैसा है डेकोरेशन। Okay, so first of all, good evening guys, and happy Ganesh Chaturthi to all of you, and thank you so much for all the wonderful preparations that you guys have done. Special thanks to Rebina because she has put a lot of extra effort in this entire setup, and also Ashfaq, you too, and Satakshi for suggesting everything that has to be done and not done. Okay, so it's very well said that when you start something new, right, in Hindu tradition, we always do first puja is of Shri Ganesh, and that's the reason I have chosen this day to start that. Okay, I have not revealed this to anyone, I am revealing it for the first time right now. And that's the reason I thought first we'll do this puja and then I'll reveal this. Okay, so now tomorrow is World Physiotherapy Day, okay, and from the day Health Q Rehab has started, every year we have done something big on that day. Okay, the first event that we did when I and Satakshi met and the entire this combination began was also on that day. I still remember I took a very big risk at that time. I just had 1 lakh rupees in my bank account and I spent 65,000 rupees for that event. Okay, last year also we did a big event. Now you guys must be thinking this year we didn't do anything, but yes, this is what we are doing. The only difference is what we are doing today is going to last for entire year. It's not going to, today is the beginning of it. Okay, and what is that? This is a very big challenging thing, and this is something that's also going to go out on social media, and this is a 365-day challenge which I'm announcing, where we are going to serve 1 million people, which is 10 lakh people, through our 5 lines of services. Number 1 is our social media content, where all our handles that we have got, starting from YouTube to Instagram, we are starting 2 more new handles. One is already started, which is on Neurodance. There's a specific handle. Then there's 1 more handle that we are starting, which will be for pain-free workouts. Right, so the existing Instagram handle that we have got for HealthQ Rehab, that will be specifically focusing on our clinic. Okay, and the other rest two will focus on those specific lines of services. So that's the first superficial layer of serving people. So every content that we will produce will have that thought process of how it's going to impact people in their lives, right? So that's number 1. Number 2 is going to be events, online events, which we will organize to cater to a larger or wider audience, right? We are going to start this from next week by doing YouTube live entire from 7 days, like starting from Monday till 7 days. So there will be like every month there will be a 7-day continuous set of sessions that will happen, that will incorporate lot of activities that will bring on the table. Okay, one more thing we will be announcing at the end of this month will be a Reelathon. Reelathon, like you would have heard the name called as hackathon, right? Hackathon is nothing but a series of one problem statement is given and people kind of solve that problem in their creative ways. So there's like a full set. Similarly, we will be launching Reelathon. This will be like a competition of reel making, where any physio can contribute, and then the winner reels will have prizes and everything from our end. Okay, and everything this will be kind of again going back to social media handles of ours. Okay, next comes our group programs. So group programs is also going to be our major line of audience that we will be catering. So starting from the target of 100 people to adding 10 every month is something that is going to be happening moving forward. And last but not the least are our one-on-one services, which incorporates our online and offline activities, right? So that in this 365 days, if we calculate, right, it comes like we should be able to impact around 2,500 people every single day through this entire initiative. Okay, so I thought, like, usually people do camps and everything, which is just a one-day event. It happens and then it goes away. I wanted to do something little more long-lasting, and that's why this is a challenge that I am announcing. And I want that every physio, not only from HealthQ Rehab, other physios outside HealthQ Rehab will also get an opportunity to participate into this and take forward this entire initiative. Okay, so there will be a proper calendar that we will be cutting every day, right, and saying, okay, each day where we reached, how many impacts. So there's going to be a ticker kind of thing that we will have, like at the end of the day. So today is 7th September. Next 7th September we'll see where we are in terms of our number of followers and subscribers on our social media, in terms of our reach on the event side of it, in terms of our activities that we are doing, in terms of our online session, how big our online sessions are going on, how big our offline events and everything is going on, right? So this is what we are starting from today, and I want everybody's participation in this, because it's not only about me, it's about us at the end of the day. And since we all are physiotherapists and we have to give back to our profession, right? So we all are responsible equally to contribute give back to our profession, right? So that's the thought process, and that's why this challenge is something that we are set to. All right, so pretty excited to have you all into this. Yeah, thank you.
Oxymoron.